Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for stopping by. I'm coming to you with another car update. Take these off here. As you can see, I'm out of my garage. Finally, this car is on the road, and that makes me so happy. Here she is. So today I had to just do a couple of things to get this car ready and actually allowed to drive legally. So today I went this morning and got my e-test, which I passed with flying colors. I got a sticker, so I am set to go until October 2019. And now, pretty much my goal for the rest of the day is to empty my gas tank because it's full of 91 gas and I don't like that. I want to fill it up with 94. So just pretty much driving around, and I'll take you on my drive, but pretty much just driving around, enjoying the car, loving life, listening to no music other than listening to the music of the engine, and that's pretty much it. So I hope that you guys are having a great day. I can tell you that I for sure am having a wonderful day. So with that being said, let's get out of this parking lot and let's go for a little bit of a drive. Literally, that's the best sound ever. Just starting this car, getting it ready. Okay, so let's go. I'll try and film some of this as we go. So, probably the best thing that I got asked today is someone asked me, I always get asked, hey, do you know that your steering wheel's on the right-hand side? As if I forgot. So today someone asked me how I like driving on the right-hand side, and to be honest, I actually prefer it. Feels super comfortable to me. It's as if I've been driving on the right-hand side forever. I don't really notice any difference at all. So that's awesome. So it is so hot. I'm not putting the AC on. I've got the windows down. I need to get a breeze in this car. So let's start driving before I melt away. Oops. Sure how much of my drive I'm actually gonna be able to tape. I feel like there are a lot of cops around, so I don't really want to take that chance, and there's not really a whole lot of exciting stuff to tape. I'm just driving through my little town, trying to get back to my house. So anyways, I will reconvene when we get there, but I just wanted to show you, give you guys a little bit of an update that I am finally out of the garage. It is literally the best feeling ever. Okay, so I'm just getting back to my house, and probably the hardest thing about driving this car is getting in and out of my driveway because it has the absolute worst little lip on it ever. So let's see. Show you guys. See if I can show you how hard this is. Well, not hard, but just like I have to focus a lot. Hi there, Supra. Race car life. I have no idea if that's gonna work, but let's try it. Okay, that wasn't too bad at all. I don't know why I had such a hard time this morning. Maybe I didn't go out on enough of an angle. Either way, we're good. She's in the driveway. I have to make a quick pit stop at home, drop a couple things off, and then I'm probably gonna go back out again. So I'll make sure to take me with you then. If I don't see you, I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will be back again very soon, either to continue this vlog or to come back with a brand new vlog and a new car update. Have a great day, guys.